it's just removing this shit. So take this out. So the connection is off. You know that Mustang? The one, like the one that drives really good?
Yeah.
He crashed.
No fucking
So he. The thing is that I don't think it's his fault. Cause I was looking at the video. Alright, that's it. There we go. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, I really thought this car was different than the. I mean, the same as the other one, but I guess not. So let's see. Let's see if you're right, Maggie. So easy, like this. It took me 30 minutes to do this shit. Alright, let's climb up. There we go, it's off. And same thing. Cool. Oh yeah. There we go. Alright, that's good. Okay, up. Big upgrade. Oh yeah. Look at